electron. I repeat, once it has captured the electron, it will be keeping the electron in its atom. मतलब ये खींचेगा भी और रखेगा भी. So these two are different concepts. Fluorine electron खींचेगा, रखेगा नहीं. क्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रॉन थोड़ा कम पावर से खींचेगा लेकिन रखेगा भी. Got this concept clear to everyone? Next time in inorganic chemistry, this is the concept of inorganic chemistry. If anyone asks you what is the difference between electron affinity and electron negativity, you should not say that they are one and the same. These two concepts are two different concepts, right? Okay. Now let us move forward to our chapter. What's wrong with this? Okay. Now let us move to our chapter organometallic chemistry. So, आज का टारगेट हमें क्या पढ़ना है? We are going to first study the preparation of organometallic compounds first. Then we are going to see the applications. Applications में हमने फर्स्ट रिएक्शन पढ़ना है, जैसे कि एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन का इफेक्ट क्या रहता है ऑन ग्रिग्नार्ड्स रिएजेंट. Then we will be talking about carbonyl compounds. अब carbonyl compounds में दो तरह के क्या आते हैं. Carbonyl compound is aldehyde also and carbonyl compound is ketone also. Functional group याद है सब लोगों को? Okay, so you must have understood what is aldehyde and what is ketone. The difference of only one hydrogen is your aldehyde and this is a ketone, right? So after this we are going to look at the chemical reactions of C double bond O, C double bond O carbon dioxide. Then we are going to see cyanide. And then lastly we will be seeing this epoxy. It is called as epoxy. आज के डेट पे, आज के लेक्चर पे इतने रिएक्शंस कंप्लीट करने का टारगेट हमारा है. So let us begin with the actual lecture now. First, I will be starting about preparation reaction, and I am going to prepare your Grignard's reagent. So I am writing preparation of RMGX, Grignard's reagent. So first, how do you prepare Grignard's reagent? You have a method called as direct combination. Direct combination method. Direct combination method. Now in this reaction what happens? You straight away take your alkyl group, okay, with a halogen, and you straight away infuse the metal inside it. I repeat once more. Preparation reaction, you straight away take your alkyl halide and you infuse your metal inside it. So write down one question. Give the preparation reaction of Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent. Give the preparation reaction of Grignard's reagent. Give the preparation reaction of Grignard's reagent. तो चलो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर how am I expecting from you, or rather what you should write in the answer is, first you have to mention the method called as direct combination method. Then you have to write down the general reaction. GR का मतलब है general reaction. Now in the general reaction I am going to take an alkyl halide. So I will write down RX plus I am going to directly infuse the metal. ठीक है, तो ये मेटल क्या करेगा, इन दोनों के बीच में जाके ये स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करेगा. So this is how you prepare your Grignard's reagent. This is your organometallic compound. This takes place at 35 degrees Celsius in anhydrous condition. Okay, in anhydrous condition मतलब क्या, आपको चाहिए ईथर, ROR, ये एक सॉल्वेंट है. ether. It is dry ether. Now, इसका एक plus point क्या है? When you are preparing Grignard's reagent, it has more susceptibility to getting oxidized. मतलब ये दोनों सा बॉन्ड टूट के इसका सीधे सीधे ऑक्सीडेशन होने की पॉसिबिलिटी है. So what do you do to stop this possibility? You just have to maintain the anhydrous condition, and that is why ether is used. So ether is basically a stabilizer. Ether is basically a stabilizer. Why? Because Grignard's reagent can get oxidized. Because Grignard's reagent can get oxidized. So in order to prevent this oxidation, we use dry ether. That is anhydrous condition. Now I am going to take down one example. General reaction समझ में आया है? Everyone thumbs up. Okay. Let us move to an example. मैंने आपको ये चैप्टर नंबर 1 एल्काइल हैलाइड पूरा मैंने पढ़ाया है यही साल. ओके, फर्स्ट चैप्टर एल्काइल हैलाइड के बाद में मैंने आपको पढ़ाया एराइल हैलाइड्स, राइट? तो एल्काइल हैलाइड चैप्टर नंबर 1 से ये ग्रुप मुझे क्या है समझ में आया है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एन एग्जांपल. R की जगह पे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एनी एल्काइल ग्रुप. लेट मी टेक मिथाइल और लेट मी टेक इथाइल, C2H5. और हैलोजन को I am going to substitute using bromine. Then I am going to put your magnesium. और ये जो conditions है ना, reaction conditions मैंने last lecture में explain किया था. This is the substrate. This is the reagent. These are the reaction conditions. This is the product. I repeat once more. Substrate, reagent, reaction conditions and product. Product के साथ में अगर कुछ और मिलता है then that is byproduct, right? So now this takes place in the same anhydrous condition at same temperature. This is nothing but your ethyl halide. Let me write down the name, ethyl bromide. Now I am going to get C2H5Mg and the name of this compound is ethyl magnesium bromide. I write down the name also, ethyl magnesium bromide. ठीक है, अब ये का एग्जांपल आपने लोअर क्लासेस में पढ़ के ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. It was just a recapitulation, but I have taught you in previous chapter aryl halides. Aryl halides का एक compound लेते हैं. चलो, let us start with, this is example number 1, example number 2. So let me take phenyl ring, benzene ring, and I am going to attach my halogen. Correct? Everyone? Yes. Now I am going to add my magnesium. I am going to maintain all the same reaction conditions, and now I can get a aromatic Grignard reagent. I have got aromatic Grignard reagent. This is phenyl magnesium iodide. This is phenyl magnesium iodide. This is iodobenzene. Iodobenzene. ठीक है, अब बच्चा लोग ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में ऐसे भी कंपाउंड्स है जो कि ज्योमेट्री के साथ में दे शो रिजेंबिलिटी इन द स्ट्रक्चर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर आर कंपाउंड्स सच एज, आपने अगर ज्योमेट्री पढ़ी है, यू विल कॉल दिस एज अ ट्रायंगल, करेक्ट? बट दिस इन केमिस्ट्री इज cyclopropane. Then this is not a square, it is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. It is cyclobutane. वैसे ही one compound I am using having 6 carbon atoms, that is nothing but the example goes over here. This is just for explanation purpose. Example I am taking as cyclohexyl chloride. Okay, इसमें रहा है, you do not have double single bonds. All the bonds are single bonds, right? They are cyclic compounds, but they do not have double single bonds. तो इसका नाम है cyclohexyl chloride. Right? Now I am going to add this to magnesium, and I am going to maintain the same reaction conditions. And now I am going to synthesize cyclohexyl magnesium chloride. Cyclohexyl magnesium chloride. It's very simple, right? Everyone, clear to everyone? Thumbs up, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I request everyone to please copy this answer for the next question. That is, I have given the question is what? Preparation of Grignard's reagent, right? Okay, please take down the answer. I am expecting this explanation from you in the examination. Board is clear? Okay.